Hi, I'm Haley Bouchreau, and this is my Padlet for ELRC 3500. I'm in section 1 of ELRC 3500, and this class has been so great. It's been one of my favorite classes this semester. Miss Debbie is great, and she's taught us so much. So now I'm going to go ahead with the rest of my assignment. So the first thing we did was a biography. So if you click here, this is my About Me document. Here you can learn about my hobbies, my major, and more. Next, we did a name tent. So in this class, we each created our own name tents, which allowed us to get to know each other a little better and learn everyone's names, which was really nice. Next, we made a concept map. So using Google Draw, I was able to create this concept map featuring ideas for my travel brochure. So basically, we just had a main idea in the middle and based all our smaller ideas off that one main thing. Next, also, we utilized Symbaloo, Digo, and Pinterest. So we also used this when we were making our travel brochures to get pictures, links, things like that, places to visit. And then we finally made the travel brochure. So to make this brochure, I used an online platform called Canva. Canva is very useful when in need of a poster, brochure, newsletter, presentation, and more. I actually use Canva a lot in my other classes as well, mainly for presentations and documents. Next, we utilize Google Slideshow to make a slideshow of our favorite things. So if you click this link, it will take you to that slideshow. And also, Google Slides is very similar to Microsoft PowerPoint, but I find that it's a little easier to use. Next, we made a blog. This was by far one of my favorites. So we used Blogger by Google, and I made my blog about traveling in my personal life. We also utilized RSS feeds in this assignment, and RSS feeds allow a user to keep track of many different websites and single news aggregator. So you can search something and you'll have a lot of different feeds come up and you can select which one you'd like to post to your blog, and it also updates frequently, so it's very useful. Next, we made a YouTube movie. So this was one of our most recent assignments. We created a movie about how COVID-19 impacted our lives and what we did during quarantine. So if you click this Word document, the link is integrated within, so it'll take you right to that video. So I really enjoyed using this software that you're seeing right now, Padlet. I think it's a great tool to showcase one's work in an easy, efficient way. So basically, I just put all of my assignments in their own little sections, and you can easily click each one and it'll take you directly to each of my projects. And lastly, Screencast-O-Matic, which is how you're seeing me and my screen right now. I think that this can be very useful, especially for those who are still learning remotely from home or, working away from their usual environment. This platform allows one to record their screen and then simultaneously create a video from their environment. So in all, I really enjoyed this class. I think Miss Debbie is great and I recommend her to everyone. She definitely understood that this was an elective for most of us and was very flexible when we needed her to be. And she's very informative and will help you with whatever you need. So overall, I enjoyed this class and thank you, Miss Debbie, for giving me the opportunity to take it with you. Thank you.